this video, I will show you how to make a health bar for your game. And these things are usually in like AAA games, even indie games. Like pretty much every single game has a health bar. And Roblox has a built-in health bar, but you can kind of barely see it, and it's not very visually telling. So let's create a new screen GUI. Let's call this health bar. No GUI inset, of course, because we don't want that topping of the screen to mess us up. We're gonna have this at the middle of the screen. We're gonna have it like a rectangle of sorts. Honestly, the longest process in this whole thing is just figuring out the dimensions and such. But after we got that done, we can actually get into the coding bit. Most likely the reason why you're watching this tutorial. Alright, so let's name this bar. And we'll have another frame in it call this progress. The actual progress bar that's going to move depending on the health of the player. But for this one, I think we need to set the anchor point to 0 on the X. Alright, so let's change the background color of this bar to something grayish, like such. And then I'm going to do an inset so we can make this look a little bit better. And we're going to have the inset be about 15. And we're going to have the progress bar be green. What if we remove the inset and size it? I keep going back with the sizing. I guess what we can do now is add a text label. We're going to call this health label. And this is going to show our current health. Let's do Fredica 1. But let's get rid of the bold. Let's just do regular. Okay. And let's change the color to green so we can more easily see it. Okay, so now we have this. Now let's get into coding it and such. So let's create a new local script under our health bar GUI. Call it health handler. Let's get all the variables real quick. So now that we have all that, let's let's actually get the player and such, because we definitely need that. I'm messing up with my spelling. Oh my god. Okay, now we get the player. Okay, now we need the humanoid. The humanoid will allow us to actually that's a vital part of this, because without the humanoid, we can't really detect the health of the player. Alright, so now, what we're going to do is, every time the humanoid takes damage or such, we're going to update the health bar. And so we just divide the current humanoid health by the max health. Now it'll get us a number between 0 and 1. We can just times that by 100 to get our percentage. If you want to use the percentage, you can, but I guess we really don't need it but all we need is this, because this will help us move the green bar. So now all we need to do is go to progress dot position, or size actually, equals, now we just need the change. We do this, and then size equals, and now we just need to go to health label and actually show that the health has been updated. Let's actually change the syntax on this so you can actually see it. Health equals health. And then the simple show the health, show the current health. Okay. Now this should all work if I have not done anything wrong. Actually, let's make this a function so we can have this run on top. And once the game starts, we're going to do a simple call to this function. So let's go ahead and click play. Alright, we're in the game, and I messed something up, so let me go ahead and fix that. Oh, I forgot to dot new. Of course, don't forget to do this. I forgot to do that. So, let's try it again. Now it is working. So if we go into the player and we change their health, their humanoid health to about 50, you're going to see it drop down to 50. And we change it back to like 100, go back to 100. This is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.